In today's video, we're going to have a quick look at Olight's latest offering, which is a slim EDC flashlight. Here's a look at the specs here. You've got 1.5 meters drop resistance, you've got IPX8, 180 lumens max on high, 5 on low, and on the max you're getting 21 minutes, low you're getting 15 hours. Comes in at 1.45 ounces and just at 3.5 inches long. Now this light could not have came at a better time. It's going to replace one of my current EDCs for work that I carry with my Leatherman. But first let's go over some of the features. Now first, my favorite feature is the tail switch. For an EDC for work, this works out best for me. My current one does not have this. It's a kind of a twist lock. I don't like it. This is awesome. You notice you have some nice knurling at the top as well as some traction here on the light itself. It features a removable pocket clip. And the nice thing about the belt clip is you can wear it either way. So you can wear it facing down or facing up. Now this is somewhat of a bare bones light. To turn it on, you just click it once, turn it off, click it again. To get the high power mode, you press it twice and then click it. And now you're in high power. The light does include the battery. Another awesome feature, it's a single AAA battery. Now here's my current EDC with my Leatherman. It's right here in the side pouch, and it is a Phoenix FD01. It has not been a bad light. I've had it for quite a few years, and this honestly has not been a bad light. It's not as bright as I would like, which this will replace that, but my main gripe is the twist. So right now I've got it off, but it's not all the way off. So if I accidentally hit it on something, it's going to turn on. I don't have it twisted far enough. And I don't know how many times I went to pull this out of my pouch and the battery's been dead. Also, the pocket clip is not really that secure, whereas with the Olight it is nice and secure on there. And as you can see here, the Olight is not much bigger. It is a little bit longer, roughly the same width, has a little bit more weight to it because it is longer, but it feels better, it feels more solid in the hand. And here's a small example of the actual throw difference. You can see the Phoenix has a much more narrow throw, whereas the Olight is much wider. The Olight is much brighter, and more importantly, I love the push button on the tail. Now I'm going to give you an example of the brightness. Now unfortunately it is light outside. We are in a dark part of the basement. So here is low mode. Now let's go ahead and switch to high. This is a bright light. So there you have it. I love the brightness, I love the tail switch. More importantly, it fits nicely in my Leatherman, so I can continue to have a nice size EDC for my needs. If you are interested in the I3T EOS, be sure to check out the links listed below the video description. I'll have links directly to Olight as well as Amazon links so you can purchase this for yourself. And if you have any questions, please feel free to post those in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching.